The Make and Drink enamel pins are now in stock and ready to ship. I'll be shipping them out this week to anyone that's in the Nui tier and the Mai Tai tier. If you're in the Mai Tai tier, you're also going to get a Make and Drink glass. Whether you're getting both of these or just the pin, that'll be shipped to you for free. If you would like an additional glass, if you want a second glass, then it's $20. I'm not selling these single on the website right now or on the shop right now. So the only way you can get an extra glass is through this. 20 bucks. I'll figure out a way that we can do that. So if you do want a second one, send me a direct message on Patreon, or you can even comment and I'll get a hold of you through messages. Now, the way it works to get these things, I wanted to make this kind of easier for me and for you to do this so I didn't have to charge for shipping or anything like that. So the way it works is if you are in a tier that gets one of these things, you have to have completed a month of that tier. So you got to be charged for it twice. So after you've been in that tier for a month, you get charged again for Patreon, and then I will ship you the either glassware or the enamel pin. I'm doing it that way because if I didn't do it that way, you could upgrade. I'd have to pay for shipping and the glassware and the pin. So this just makes the most sense to me, to where it's easier for us, and I think it actually provides a little more value for you as well. So these turned out pretty cool. I'm happy with them. I didn't want to just do like a logo enamel pin. I thought it'd be cool if there was something else, a bottle or something. When I was kind of looking at everything, I think the most iconic thing was the Drink Master. So I designed these myself, and these are limited edition. I can potentially reorder them, but right now I have about 100 of them, and about a third of them are reserved to go out to people right now in Patreon. I'm going to reserve another third or maybe a little more for maybe future Patreon members. And then I'm going to put a few of them in the Make and Drink shop for sale. So if you're not in one of the tiers, or if you're watching this and you're not a Patreon member and you want to buy one of these, then you can that way. Now for the Patreon My Tai tier videos, the videos that you can request for me to make, the first one of those will be coming on Tuesday. We're coming on Halloween. So it's a little different, but one of the big tent pole tiki tropical cocktails. So that'll be coming on Tuesday. Several of you have submitted other ideas to me as well, which I will get to probably in the next couple months. I can't do them all at once, but there's a couple good ones, including ones I want to try to get to before Thanksgiving. So those will be coming up soon. And other than that, still working on the whole white rum situation behind me. I did get a request to get the 10-to-1 bottle, which I did, and I haven't even opened yet. I happened to be at a Safeway that had one in stock, and I hadn't seen those in stock, only seen the aged one in stock. So I'm going to rework that to work that one in. Be doing that more in the next couple weeks, but that's it. I'm not going to buy any more white rums, just the ones I have already. Just got to figure out what I'm going to do to make the numbers even. So if you want an extra glassware in the Mai Tai tier, then let me know. Comment, send me a message. For everyone else in the Nui or the Mai Tai tier, you'll be getting your pin or glass in the next 2 weeks. I'll have them shipped sometime this week. And I believe I have all your information. If I don't, I'll reach out to you. Otherwise, that's it. Till the next one.